So today we are going to be getting the car ready for the S54 engine, which we've got a little bit of chassis work to do, getting rid of some of the rust and just general tidying it up of some of the bits in the engine bay. So without further ado guys, let's crack on.
The update, why'd you stop working on the car?
Ice cream time. Take it easy. Be nice. Would you like some ice cream? 10 horsepower. Right, you take, would you like it here? That one. Oh yeah, high tensile they are.
High tensile.
High grade.
Ryan Little.
What we've got here is the standard E36 steering column. As you can see, it's got a crash section here, which is for the event of a crash, and then you've got a bushing here, which is very, very large, and with a different exhaust manifold, whether that's S54s, whether that's even an M50 turbo or V8 swaps, you will find that this bushing will get in your way. Now, the solution for that is to run a slimmer column provided by us. So we make up these slim columns, which still retain the crush section. Also, not having the bush, you'll find the steering will feel a little bit more direct. There's no slack in it at all. So this is an option that is available on our website and will make swaps in general a damn sight easier. So that pretty much concludes today's episode, guys. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in episode 4, where we are going to be fitting the S54 into this E36 M3. If there's anything you specifically want to see in the next episode, don't forget to drop a comment below. Any likes and comments obviously help us on the channel here, and please, if you are interested, do subscribe to the channel.